One of the most powerful features of Corridor Easy is how it automates connections at intersections directly from alignment geometry, and the ease of creating curb returns, cul-de-sacs and knuckles that maintain their connection with the roads as you change your profile designs. From the tool space, you can create each road, curb return and other strings one at a time. You can also use the Project Assist command to intelligently assess all your alignments in the drawing, to suggest how you would like to use them in the design, and guide you through a workflow to create all of them in a single process. To see how to create individual roads and road network objects singly, right-click on any center line and turn it into a road string. Strings behave like a single baseline corridor. The alignment drives the horizontal geometry, we create an initial best fit profile for the vertical geometry, and apply cross-sections for the design surface and volumes. The sections initially come from your templates. All you need to do in the Create form is to select the starting template, the sampled surface for daylighting and volumes, and how frequently you would like to calculate sections. Once created, a floating window displays your design profile. This window can be positioned anywhere on your monitors, so you can design your profile while you review the full AutoCAD model window. You can right-click anywhere in this window to display a cross-section at that particular station, updating dynamically as you edit the profile. Plan line work and a surface model can be created and update as you design in this window. We'll revisit this interface and the integration with Civil 3D profiles and profile views in a following video. You can repeat this road string creation process on a second road to form an intersection. Whether a crossroad or a T-intersection, the side road will continuously update to adopt the cross-section of the main road. To add curb returns to an intersection, simply right-click on the curb return object group in the tool space. You can create them individually using the Create Edit Curb Return command, or you can add them all at once using Auto Curb Returns. When creating them individually, or editing a created curb, pick an intersection quadrant, fill out the radius details and click Create. The curb return will be inserted, elevations matching start and end, and the main and side road will be trimmed. Change the radius and update to see the intersection reform. Auto curb returns will create curb returns at all intersections with a radius that you set. Update a road elevation and all curb returns will update automatically. After running auto curb returns, you will likely see a quick surface display in the drawing. If you want to create this surface model of the road networks at any time, simply right click on the CSD Surfaces object group and select Rebuild. This will create the surface for your road network. Adding cul-de-sacs and knuckles works in a similar process through the tool space. To create a cul-de-sac, right click on the cul-de-sac group. You select the road to connect to for the cul-de-sac and use either your own alignment or add in values to have the software create an alignment for you. Then make it into a string. The cul-de-sac will be connected start and end, and trim the road to form a total modelled surface. To add a knuckle, right click on the knuckle group. Again, you select a road to connect to and either use your own alignment or add in values to have the software create an alignment for you. When you make the string, you also pick a template to attach to the knuckle. When the knuckle is added, the road pavement is set to target to the knuckle, and the knuckle connects at the start and end of the road elevations. After creating two roads in an intersection, you'll see you've got more alignments for more roads, and also alignments to control the road widths, and an alignment to define the edge of an existing road. To rapidly build out a network of roads, you can start the Project Assist command from the tool space. This will intelligently assess your unused alignments and suggest how you might want to use them in design. It does this based on the alignment geometry and alignment name, and it will learn from your selections. You can override the suggestions for how the alignment should be used, then proceed to a workflow for creating the network. In the creation workflow process, the software identifies all the road strings and then allows you to fine-tune how alignments will be used to edit the cross-sections of each road. You can tick to add cul-de-sacs to the start or end of any road. You can change the template assigned to a road, and you can pick the intersections where you would like all crowns to be maintained instead of the default of maintaining the primary road crown. Once you proceed to create, all the strings are created, intersections are added with curve returns, models and surfaces are also created. Everything is still connected, so you can continue editing your roads and expect all the side roads, curve returns, cul-de-sacs and knuckles to update. Cut your design time from hours or days down to minutes with Project Assist.